What's up, amazing traders? Trust you guys are doing great. Welcome to another video of MASTRY markets with Prince TAWAN. And today in front of my screen, I have gold. And you already know how we predicted this move all the way to the upside. So yeah, let me just scale down on a higher time frame so I can see what I want to see. So basically, I can see some rejection of price. Price has to bleed down to the downside. First things first, because of these. First thing first, because of these guys here. All right. So this supply region, the supply region of liquidity, that price needs to react heavily above here. So when the banks came in here, you can see how price moved in heavily down to this downside, indicating that the banks were here. So obviously the banks are watching at this area. They are watching it. Trust me when I say they're watching it. They're watching it. And there's an imbalance that has been created here. All right. Guys, please subscribe for this video. You're gonna learn a lot, all right? You're gonna learn a lot. I'm gonna be posting it before it happens. So, excuse. The market is gonna move down heavily to the downside, coming back to test this trend line somewhere around here. So I need to wait for it a break of that level, a retrace of it. Price will come to test this trend line before giving something like this, completing this movement to the upside. All right. So guys, can you see this? This is going to be a third touch of this trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch. And is this sell of that one will be able to maximize from it and make some profit? All right. Now, what am I waiting for to see before getting into this trade? It's pretty much very simple. All right. First, price is going to push back up to this main level somewhere around here. All right. Now, when price pushes up here, I might be looking for selling opportunities after giving me some weak out somewhere around here to the downside here. Well, I might not want to take this because price could come back and stop me right above here. So I will not take this trade. I'm going to wait for price to break below here. All right. Let me show you what I want. I'm going to wait for price to break. So when price pushes all the way into Fibonacci, I'm going to wait for price to break below, give me a retrace. When it gives me a minor retrace, we're going to be looking for selling opportunities all the way to this downside here. Right, so can you see this is what I'm predicting that is going to happen based off price action and based on what the market is likely to do. All right, so we have roughly how many pips to play around with? We have stops slightly above here. Oops. Sorry. I want to delete you, man. Okay. So we have roughly. All right. Remember, I want to be taking one of the best setups as possible. I don't want to sell from here. They realize the price comes, bleed around, and stop me out, then fall down. Oh, Jesus. I'll get in somewhere around here. Once I start seeing a bearish candlestick, stop slightly below here and target down here. So this is kind of like a um um I mean it's 2:7 ratio. So our stops are we're gonna be risking risk reward ratio 7 risk reward ratio quantity open price. Give me a sec, guys. I'm trying to look at this. So guys, we're gonna be risking about 10-20 pips. We're gonna be risking about 10-20 pips for all of this moves down here. Alright, so yeah, that's one amazing part of it. Implement good risk management. Alright, always focus on your risks. Focus on your risks. The money is always gonna come. The rewards is always gonna come. So for a fact, there's a demand zone somewhere around down here. Price will come back to fill up inside that guy, and from there it takes off all the way to the upside. So keynotes, this guy is going to make price just fall down all the way to the downside. All right, so that's it for gold. That's what I'm envisioning for gold. So we're thinking based of probabilities. Anything can happen. Risk what you want to risk. Make yourself available for the market, and the market will do its thing. All right. So let me just quickly touch one more pair, GBP USD. I don't trade all these pairs you see on my screen. All right. I just use them to stack confluences to know what the overall trend of other pairs are going to be doing. So yeah, GU is simple. It's still simple. Pretty much the same thing. Price needs to come back and fill in these guys somewhere around here. The market is actually ranging now. The market is actually trending. I mean to say trending, 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 trending. The market is trending. The market is trending. So simple. Fibonacci shows here swing low, swing high. Oh, sorry. Swing low, swing high. Swing low, swing high. You see price needs to come in between these bad guys over here. Get some retrace and yeah. Yes. Price is trending at the moment. It's time to make some profit. When the market is trending, the strategies, everything just going so nice. All right, so guys, I think that'll be all for this session. So next level target, this blue line, and yeah. All right, please leave a subscribe button, subscribe, comment, all right, comment and like, please share, all right, if you're able to grab out some value from this, all right.